Good day. Welcome again to another segment, The Engaging Life, where life matters with Pastor Musarambat.
Yeah, no. Shalom. Pastor Chris Wakadebe from Engaging Life.
Yeah, we are here. The day we've been waiting for, Sila Bumasima, second annual Choral Indigenous Music Awards, Konala AM Studios in Newtown.
Yeah, where talent has been uplifted and appreciated in the space, Sala in Newtown.
Yes, we thank you so much. And those who voted, we thank you. We thank you. Sons of Azania, Utiglina, salute. I, for one, Pastor Chris, I'll be presenting our awards where the best clap and tap award.
Yeah, no, that is being present. No? One of the best, I think best what? Indigenous, ne?
Yeah.
I mean, what other is culture, but best indigenous. So he present to him again. May the good team win.
May the good team win. Anyway, you'll keep on catching us. TikTok account, Engaging Life.
Yeah, keep on following us. Just tell us, say radio every Thursday, 6 to 9, Sound of Azania.
Ingakhohlwa njengoba nisibhekile Mozart Music.
Ingakhohlwa ke futhi ukuthi the Glad Street Jupiter lapha. Nimcheck if angimthula uMozart, just check for Street Jupiter. You'll find this segment every time with Jupiter ubusy uyafaka yonke into.
At Sons of Azania, ingakhohlwa futhi Screaming Life.
Yeah, and then another thing, ingakhohlwa ukuthi ubhara nanga lathi zoka muhle angifuni ukusho akuthiwa indoda yidla kodwa hey cha nathi sifakile insimbi sikhona sibila. Hey, Pastor Bat.
Yeah, nomakhelwane wami bese ngimtshela ukuthi yazini elegance.
Na kodwa ke what ngisazozibonela.
Yeah, so anyway, Pastor Chris, isolesi sikhathi. Asiyekhona. Follow us.
Shalom. We're back again endaweni yesigameko uPastor Chris la. Iphethe isisi, uzozisho ukuthi ubani igama nesibongo nokuthi ibandla ngakule yiliphi. Akuthi lo muntu for which category sonke. Kunjani?
Ngiyaphila njani?
Siyaphila shalom man. Sicela usitshele nje igama nesibongo and which category or you nominated or inegama lebandla okulo.
Okay. Igama uPhumzile wakamkhonza from a branch laseThembisa.
Yeah.
From ebandleni lase Mighty Vision. We are nominated.
Yeah, nominated.
Yeah. For Best Zion Music.
Yeah.
And yeah, siyabonga kakhulu ukusinominate kakhulu.
Yazi ne? Iculo le ngiyalithanda laculo leli yalinominate because yazi ngicula yini lento enza ukuthi ngicule ngenhliziyo not ngengqondo kuphela but inhliziyo yeni ihlekile kulomculo wenu owenzayo because lo mculo onuculayo awufani nawanyamazayo
kakhulu kunjalo baba ngiyavumelana nawe mawuthi awufani ngizoya mawungamamelisisa kahle umculo wethu usuthatha eBhayibhelini. That's why i-message esithumela lapha isuke i-message ekwazi ukuphila imimoya yabantu esebenza empilweni zabantu yabo. And so it's not just any music that we write nje kodwa sifike singene nasencwadini engcwele ukuze umusic wethu sikwazi kuyenza sikwazi kuyithumela ngaphandle ebantwini.
You are writing based on scriptures. That's why it's so powerful and it's so perfect.
Yes.
I wish you all the best. The nominated for which category konje?
Best Zion Music.
Best Zion Music. Engaging Life. Best Zion Music.
Yes.
I'm voting. I'm rooting for you guys.
Kakhulu siyabonga nathi ba.
Shalom.
Nkosi sikeleli Afrika maluphakanyiswa uphondo lwayo izwa imithandazo yethu Nkosi sikelela
umuntu wakho uthi awusifana ukuthi ufana kade silapha sonke sekwenzeka uyabona kwakungenxa yento eyamthintayo ngaphakathi yasingenza yenza thina ngoba abakhona le-Indigenous Music Awards akumina but i-Sounds of Azania all the members of i-Sounds of Azania ngisukisa ngelinye ilanga njengoba ukusukisa umkabi isukumkababona ngisukisa i-Sounds of Azania ngelinye ilanga because they were able to see ukuthi yazi lento eyenzeka la akuyona yethu but into ye-community.
Attention, music plays a very big part of our industry, even internationally, not just only in South Africa. If you want to heal, you listen to music. If you want to have fun, you listen to music. When we are burying a loved one, we need music. So music is part of our veins, it is part of our heritage.
The best is Atania Awards goes to
obaqoqoda emakhanda bebonke 1 2
Cela ukubingelela nonke endlini. Angikholwa umuntu osakathi ukuthi ukhuluma ngaka all the way from Newcastle. Siqonde sinazi. Namhlanje kakhulu into yasinazi yenza umlando. Ngicela nje ukuthi le award ngidedicate abazali bami mama nobaba. I-support abanayo behamba betshela wonke umuntu everywhere they go ukuthi abavote ama-members yangisinazi ama-colleagues wami bonke abantu abavotile bonke ukubonga kwami ngishoda ngamazwi ngiyabonga kakhulu ngijabulisa ukuthi I won't go back to Newcastle with empty handed kodwa uNkulunkulu wenzile umusa wakhe phambili ngeyangisinazi.
Good day. Welcome, Silabi Sons of Azania Umasima, which is the second annual Choral Indigenous Music Awards. Silano Mama Mpati, where the Morning Star. Uzozisho which Mama hold a post and while we here, Mama.
Ninjani. Okay, Abba Monaka lebitswe ke Ntomzoto Msibi from sehlopha sa Morning Star City Choir. Remona Nadi Award tsa Sima 2026.
Yes. Nifile kanjani when you get called being nominated kule group and nominated go?
Ne re thabile haholo because it's first time re nominate for the awards, so ne re thabile haholo.
And what nominees and khethe won?
Best group of the year.
Wow, best group of the year. We believe and hope with Bavotele and Buko Ronke. We wish you all the best.
Thank you.
Well, we thank you. Don't forget, keep on tuning in. There's more to come.
The Best Imizibili Music Award. University of Johannesburg Choir, Kopano Chorus, Glorious Sounds, University of Pretoria Camerata, Cape Town Camerata.
Yes. Nna ko Bible he ntwe o kiteng ke ntate ke mo ko bona. Okay. Ulema. Okay. The best Imizulu Music Award goes to
Kopano Chorus.
Sanbonani. I'm
Nominees. So ama-nominees wethu for i-Best Zion Music, amadodana ekhaya Zayoni, Mighty Vision, Image of God Choristers, Imbewu Yethemba Mass Choir, Injabulo Yensindiso Mass Choir. Nikhona la ngaphakathi? Ikhona? Yes, ngifuna bona. Bakhona ngempela nikhona? Siyajabula. Siyajabula. So, yes, asiyekhona. Drum roll, please. Drum roll. Okay, so the Best Zion Music Award goes to Image of God
Sanibona ithuba si-Image of God because as siyikhwaya nje yase-Youth Band Mpumalanga
All ayasho ukuthi nginezinye namhlanje ngiyabingelela. Hello ansebahlu nibahle yes ake ngibone nikhona ngicela ama-flag izandla ake ngiphinda ama-flag. The nominees are for the Best Clap and Tap Music Award.
All right, abanominees elisenawo ngizoxolela ngokuhluka komzimba. Bravo and Sogma, the Mighty Esogwazi, West Melodies and Arts Development, Kawena Gospel Choir, Saint Emmanuel Musical Arts, New Vision Artist Development, Harmonic Crafts, Baramedi, Michael Gospel Choir. And the winner is?
And the winners, or the winner, are Tselanba Shelamatrams. And the award goes to Baramedi Batumelo. I'm not in the pair. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. As well, my teacher from Batumelo, all the way from Chulu, just at the state. This is by the grace of God. What God says, this is your day, this is your day. It reminds me of one of in the Bible, in Jonah, verse 21, verse 1, chapter 21, verse 1, where a disciples of Jesus, they went fishing the whole night, they did not catch anything. But the moment when Jesus came, he says, take your net, put it back, you will catch something. And that's what happened today. Jesus said, don't give up hope. Yeah. Thank you very much.
Nominees for Best Apostolic Music Awards. Bati Elifland Apostolic Church Choir, Elisha Labasha Apostolic Choir, St. Stephen's Apostolic Church Choir, True Salvation Apostolic Choir, the New St. Nazareth Apostolic Church Choir, the Saints of God Apostolic Church Choir.
And again, nakatolo ko jorna ba fenyi ba award ye ke bomang ya mapastolo again ba fenyi ba re na tšatšing la lekgono for Best Apostolic Music Award. Megolo kwa melodi o sa re shata wa luma ga ke lekwe ba fenyi ba re Lefele Apostolic Church Choir.
Yeah.
Greetings to you all.
Now
Standing in front of you here as a representative from the Fending Apostolic Church Choir, all the way from Orange Farm.
Hey,
Words fail us, honestly. We'd like to thank everyone who voted for us, the ongoing prayers, the love, and the support. If it was not for God, we couldn't be here. And then our everyday slogan that we use when all feels heavy or when things get tough, we go with the slogan, #Our God is able, because we know that sitting or
Engaging Life, we're back again. Silinda Winners Kamego Guma Asima Awards. We have one of the stars aba nominate welana kulama awards. Uzosisho nje ubaba ukuthi ubani igama nanokuthi ke na yipi group akuyo and nominate for which category. Kunjani ma?
Re teng le kae ba? Re a phela ya buang ke Ndadi wa Hamsibi. Jwalo ka ha re le mona tulong ena ya di awards ho sima re tswa groupung ya Morning Star City of God Church Choir.
Okay. And which category are you nominated for?
Remove category the best group of the year.
Best group of the year. Hey, I think I want this interview group here, and the way Tulanga Corner in music, the type of music you're singing. How do you organize yourself to sing so beautiful?
Taba ya pele ko hore jwalo ka ha re le group ra rata ho leboha haholo ho ya ka moo le ratileng mmino wa rona. Haholo ntho ya mmino ke ntho eo o kopanang le Modimo ka yona. Re hloka hore Modimo a be teng ka hare ho rona. Ke ka hore re ile ra kopa Modimo a kene ka hare ho rona. Jwale ka ha Modimo ha nkene ka hare ho rona ka lebaka la hobane ha se rona re etsa mpina, hona le motho ya ka hare, the inner man ya ke yona e ka nako eo a sebetsang ka leleme la Sehebero ba re ke ruach.
Yeah, I know. In Hebrew, it's ruach, a hardworking person.
Yes.
Spiritual Cool Engaging Life. One of the contestants are here. May the best win.
Okay. Siyabonga kakhulu. Thank you very much. Kakhulu sithanda ukubonga bonke labantu bonke ba go batho bohle ba ileng ba re nominate hore re qeteletseng re ba mona mo re haholo re rata hore ke ka mohau wa Modimo a se ka thato ya rona. Ha letsoho la Jehova le usupile ha hona motho ya tla hananang le sona. Haholo re a leboha.
Thank you, Engaging Life. One of the contestants. May God bless you.
God bless you, sir. Thank you very much.
Shalom.
Without wasting any time, let's read our nominees for today's Best Performance Award. Voices of Nation. Number 2, Harmonious Chorus. Number 3, Mumpati Arts Chorus. And then number 4, Barnsley Youth Choir. And now is that time where we announce the winner. And then over to you.
And the winner for the SEMA 2026 Best Choral Performance Award goes to... I remember this moment. It goes to Mumpati Arts Chorus.
Sicela inamba.
Dumela. Le kae? all the way from the northwest, a small town called Friday.
Northwest touchdown.
I want to avoid by all means to talk because I talk too much. It's what I specialize in. To the Almighty God, we thank this award. To us, we don't see it as a trophy or no an award, but we see it as a key that will open doors as of today. We'd like also to thank everyone that has voted us, that has believed in us. I'd also like to thank the team that we work with, the managers, some of them are here. To my choristers, I know they are watching wherever they are. Thank you very much for your selfless effort. Through God, we shall, and we shall keep on keeping on. The nickname of this choir, actually, they call themselves Green Mambas. Now, if you study the characteristics of a green mamba, it's one of the beautiful snakes that survives through, yes, it's one of the beautiful African snakes that I know how to characterize a snake, it's fine. But it's one of those beautiful African snakes that survives through different challenges. And the reason why behind that is because of the background that we come from. I said when I started, I will be very brief and short. Thank you very much. May this SEMA grow bigger to be what it is now, because we lack such events in South Africa that appreciate artists. May the good Lord see what you guys are doing, and may He grow this event from here. Thank you very much.
Music awards. Amalungisi lawa landileke. Ithemba lokukhwaya, kube ithanda choir, ngithanda lelo, kube abaphethwe ngosensingers, kulandele ukuthi esisizila, sesifani isizayo, kube choir.
Angazi ngizoyisho kathi yisho kanjani sokhulumeka kangaka. The winners, the deserving winner actually, yazi isikwele esifundisa ngothathe siyalapho ithemba yokukhaya.
We are here to present the best group of the year. As we said, we are all winners, right? And here are the nominees. Hey, Askis. Boitumelo Gospel Choir. Cash R, Naita Zwakune Batubashu, Kardo Befuti. And the second nominee is Reconciliation Mass Choir. And the third one, we've got Morning Star City of God Apostolic Church Choir. The fourth nominee, Abatandwa Tina Sonke. And the fifth nominee is Umlazi Gospel Choir, the original. Azobonaka bathu bashu. Kade baphambi kululu futhi.
I'm also a host in a podcast. It's called Unscramble Life in Sleep. We share the same sentiments when it comes to the podcast. Because we have this thing of having people who want to support people who are already there.
Yeah.
Ekugqibeleni awubazi babaqalephi, so thina siye sizama masibazise bazongcokola uba nabo before befika phayana baqalephi. Wena mntu ke na ofila discouraged uyazi uba nabo baqale somewhere. We are about to announce our winners. SEMA 2026, the Best Group of the Year award goes to Umlazi Gospel Choir.
Greetings to all. Yambimedisa kaofela ha lona. Ya bua mo ke Nthabiseng Mokhomotsi, President ya Majalefa a Morena from Soweto. Originally the founder ke batswadi baka ke Mengele le Ntate Phineas Ramarumo from Soweto.
Yes.
This choir iqadile ka the early 1970s.
Yeah.
Ile a fast rap choir. So ka 1979 ebe ho thewa lebitso la Majalefa a Morena ho ntatwa ka e le Ntate Phineas Ramarumo. Ke ha e qala Majalefa a Morena till today. So my father passed away 1985.
Yeah.
My mother was pregnant with the last born. So she continued the legacy of her late husband until Yena Arisia 2019. So Asia the legacy from Tuna, Tensing the Nyabeang Ramarumo in our hands. So there is where with the help of choir Kaufela and then Kirata Lole Abutil Shohonolo. Because Kiena Oiling I Pamisa, and they say, Ibadile choir because of the hardship still rolling, Tishebile, only hard. So Ahunda, Pamisa, Jeka, because we were young, Molieto, but he continued the legacy for us, Ratwella built. So Kiratole Hamdimu Hawulu, Ubanula Refamata. Arifa courage, we love Sebisa, Ramotepa Lerona. Today, Yelwaleva Tolibarona, Manile Arona, because Highness Cabona gave us a told this award, gave us CEO. So Galevo Hawulu, Gratoleva Majali Famorena, Mobalinte, Mobashivilinte, because most couldn't make it. So Garalevo had on support their whatever feeling yona, respect, Lile Rato, Lishompo Galebo Hawono. Thank you so much.
So it is with great excitement and immense honor to present the Best Choral Indigenous Music Awards, the Supreme Award, SEMA.
Also, UVC Maspire, Independent Church. UVC Maspire, Independent Church in Christ Church Choir, St. Joseph's Apostolic Church, Imiqolo Yethu Choir, ATG Gospel Choir, Ingayizivele Gospel Choir, Singers of God Music Academy, the New Jerusalem Gospel Choir, Survivors of God Gospel Choir, and Sakiwe Group.
Now, our SEMA Supreme Award goes to
yazi hlale sisho thina-ke kule Africa ukuthi lena asisebenzi sodwa. uSound of Azania eradiyweni lapha 6 to 9 sikhona thina engaging lapha but khona elinye uhlelo elikhona uzolisho igama lohlelo and then asho ukuthi wenzani lelo hlelo azisho negama ukuthi ubani.
Okay, mina igama lami uSizwe wakwaVelakazi, ngenza isiteji Sizwe. Ishow yethu ikhuluma kakhulu ngeAfrica. Sikhuluma is current affairs, sikhuluma kakhulu ngokwenzeka politics nje Africa yonke. Yeah, imloyo. Thina singena ngoLesithathu njalo from 12 sishayise ngo3.
12 to 3.
Yeah.
Sound of Azania.
Igama lesho Sounds of Azania. Sisiteji Sizwe. Yeah, siyamacija.
Ukuthi ke na aziyakhala ke lapha ziyakhala. Now into engifuna ukubuza ke about i-African sound, you know. Do you think South Africa has lost the sound that we're normally known as? How do you feel about it? Do you think with these thunders of music that are coming through, are we losing our sound or we pick up sifunda kule sound bese siyaphambili?
I think Africa kahle. I want to be more specific because I've traveled the world around the globe singing and doing the African sound. And unfortunately, I want to say to you, ngaphandle, we still have that original sound. Masiya ngaphandle, abantu bangaphandle bajabulela the unique sound that we have. Just this year, I was in Europe doing Ngambene choir. She perform traditional African songs unaccompanied by any music, which is like a cappella. But when you get here to answer your question, are we losing the sound? But what I'm seeing now, we were losing the sound. But there seems to be a reset, a regeneration of choral sounds. And I don't know whether it's because of media cool with digital platforms and more studios than we used to have. Now people are going back to the original sounds that we some of the sounds if like for instance clap and tap, it was just clapping and tapping. Then beseqala kuba nezinye izinto ezintroducewayo electronic, but manje ngiyabona ukuthi kukhona ababuyelayo kuzo, and then we have izinto ezifana njengalama awards la nke siwayenzayo namhlanje ezi-encourage ukuthi let's keep the sound. Yes.
No, I just love it when mawusho kanjalo. But ngishaywa yilento when it comes to poetry emotion now. That ucule nje but you're lacking the emotion of what you're saying. Ukhulumela ngoba you want to sell other than what you feel, and the thing as listeners we can hear ukuthi wena the poetry emotion is missing. How do you encourage that with umculo ukuthi have such a thing?
I wonder there's a challenge between the balance of artists. How do we earn a living but also at the same time keep the art from the heart? Because kule era esikuyo manje there seems to be more commercialization, kusho yonke into isebenza ngemali manje. I understand. So kunabantu abayenza ngale intention yokuthi bafuna imali and abanandaba ukuthi ine-emotion leyoshoyo or ayina-emotion as long as ithengisa so kusho ukuthi abasayenzi ukuthi ibe genuine yabona so that is why sometimes uthola ukuthi uyawubona lo mculo but kushoda lento esho ukuthi poetry in motion kushoda the vision from within ukuthi lento siyenza ngepassion and futhi siyenza ngothando futhi as an artist ngithanda ukusho ukuthi the artists and they're also opportunists.
Yes.
But there are those who are in the industry purely for commercial reasons.
Yeah.
And there are those who are in the industry because they love the industry. Now, how do we find the balance between those things? That's a challenge.
I don't want to see more. Let's cut. If no see if I would take a sitting over hours again. Ushilo ukuthi ke na siyakuloleja siyayiphusha le agenda le wena ngokwakho this setup eyenziwe la eSound of Azania do you think it needs more in terms of sponsors so that izokwazi ukacater for other people to come in? How do you feel about that?
Yeah, I think we need both the private sector and the government to support such initiatives because one, they encourage how to preserve the sound that we are talking about, and they also inspire those who want to go into the sound because the perception once you're involved with choir there's no and then number two, the platforms like the digital platforms Sounds of Azania, they need more funding so that they can sustain. Because the Sound of Azania, what is all about? It's about the South African or African sound. We play 100% African music. We make sure that everything that we do encourage the Africanness, our African, not just in music, but in all spheres. Because now we've seen foreign things being promoted more than our own. And that is when they should abandon their own thing for this other. So yes, we need more sponsorship. Private sector and government.
Thank you. Ukhulume kahle siyabonga. Engaging live ibe nomuntu la nami ke wena Jupiter ngiyenza poetry. Khona iline engakuyisho lapha ngibhala nami poetry ngithi I share my days with my dreams, redirect the trajectory of the thought trap, no face to the flesh. I thank you.
One of the groups that we wanted to see highlighted, this is one of the groups that had the most votes. Gumasima. So how can we not say Gutisabonga, group player? So that means they've worked hard, they've pushed. Sishukutabane didn't push, but number one. Yes. So this group it won the best apostolic.
DJ Khaled, another one. Suki stende. Halala, city halala.
Hello, jadi mengisah apa? Kalau warga tu mufutu le kamar elok. Kalau buat kalau feeling apostolic church ko orange farm. Kalau buat fila coba mana? Untuk seperti tadi terima di Sound of Azania. Kalau buat kami ikhlas sebagai amin.
But it's for PR and marketing. So, enzombiza njengamanje uKeletso Dlamini.
Boza Keletso. Boza Sukbon. Aw, Nkosi yami. Aw, sicela speech.
Hello.
Ke mo no busy nyana o nkile the younger sister o ka re wa motshabisa ke re ke yellow bone
Definitely in marketing the event, in getting to you guys, in getting everyone here. So yeah. So the next one is I'm going to appreciate her. This is one person that voted the most. We had time she had about, if I'm not mistaken, it was 4,000 votes. Yeah, I was like, no, we need to appreciate this person. So Lona is precious to
Hey, another one.
Abantu abazochaza. So le engizoyibiza njengamanje, it's one of the sponsors, Uzuri Fragrance.
Usisonethe Nkosi yami.
Is Jeje still there?
Oh wow, I'm truly humbled. Hello. Hi. It's good to win. It's good to win. Thank you so much for this recognition. Yasin, Sis Jenny.
Jeje down.
Mhlanisha, you know, I love you.
As well, it's one of the people or the company that made sure together namhlanje wasipusha our phone nikuphi kanjani nishoda ngani yini ekumele ukuthi yenzeke sekuyasondela sekusele isikhathi esingaka yabo silokhu siphusha nakusithi hey asifone sele kanje. So if it wasn't for him as well, we wouldn't be here. So ngicela ukubiza uRuben from the Prime Ride Group.
Sibonga Rubes. I'm a camera shoot.
Tomela.
Hello.
Lega. Ni tumezi. Mpezi mabeki.
Nawe Tobe.
Hapa ona mtu akalebela cameraman as a smile. Na no respect sa ona sa kwa. Ochusha la banaka. No ke tabetse o ba le lona no amagala e boe ba mfanyo na ka je
Hathi ho naka mriwadini you nathi bantu abami nanti ikhaya the sounds of Azania. So in this one I'm calling Amanda Ndebele. But I'm so honored. I was not expecting to MC an award ceremony and be awarded. So it actually gets to show Uguti, we go with a God that breaks protocol. Just when you never thought you would MC an award ceremony and be awarded yourself, because he breaks protocol. And I did mention Uguti for me, here I come as I am.
Ngihlopa every day ukuthi ayike indlela ama-awards sizowenza ngala sizowenza la ekhaya isichapha but ngicela ubhuke esho kamnandi ngicela ubhuke online mina ngibhuke online kodwa ngithi ngizowenza. Thank you very much Mzi and the team at AMPG Studios for putting up with us. Ngicela ukubonga kakhulu umuzi wonke isizwe sonke sama choral indigenous music. Ngicela ukubonga Bajalifa for isikhombisa indlela. Ngicela ukubonga to our ambassadors. Ingadi sesikoleni lezi. Indaba isesikoleni, indaba isesontweni. masingakhumbula lezi zinto zombili ikusasa ley'ngane zethu lihle. Uma ngisakhuluma ngesono cela ukubonga nami inkonzo yami ngokungivumela ukuthi ngilove esontweni nesandlufazana the Holy Truth Church of God in Zion, ibandla leqiniso sikhona lapha eSinawana. Ngabe ngiyayibiza altar call manje ukuthi sonke sindikele, kodwa ke sizofika sikwendele la ngaphansi kuka Archbishop uBaba uShandu obased eClermont. Ngicela ukubonga ngempela kwibandla lami liyangivumela ukuthi ngilonke ngoba swelazi ukuthi lokho engisuke ngikwenza ngikwenza ngeqiniso. Ngibonge futhi Sons of Azania also for allowing me ukuthi leli phupho lethu likwazi ukuthi libe impumelelo. Ngicela ukubonga wonke umuntu ukuthi angikhali njengamanje ithi indoda ayikhali yiloko nje ngeke ngikwazi ukubhedela, so ngcono kuba ngingakhali. Ngicela ukubonga everyone abathatha isikhathi sabo ukuthi bafike la. Ngicela ukubonga all the provinces ngoba into eyenzakala ngama-awards awona wase-Gauteng but awase-KZN, awase-North West, awase-Free State, awase-Eastern Cape, Western Cape, nayizolondawo, awase-Gauteng, all 9 provinces were represented kuma-SEMA Awards. All 9 provinces kuyakhombisa lo ukuthi umsebenzi sinawo samkhulu kangakanani ukuhlanganisa iSouth Africa, ukuhlanganisa indlu emnyama, ukuhlanganisa wonke umuntu ofuna ukubona isizwe esiyophatha sazi. Ngicela ukubonga kakhulu to everyone. Ngingathathi isikhathi eside, ngingakhuluma ngaze kusekuseni. Ngiyathanda ukukhuluma kodwa ngithanda futhi ukukhuluma at the same time. Thank you very much. So Sons of Azania #SEMA 2026.